Hello, welcome once again to Ezi-Way tutorials on YouTube. Just as we know, here we give you the best of tutorials as far as BECE past questions and WASSCE past questions are concerned. That is core maths and JHS Mathematics. Today's episode of this video is solutions to WASSCE past question 2020 core maths, and that is question 1b. The question says Boadu and Ansa formed a company and agreed that their annual profits will be shared in the ratio 4:5 respectively. If at the end of the year Ansa received 5,000 more than Boadu, how much was Boadu's share? Let's get straight away with the solution. So we let A represent Ansa's share and B represent Boadu's share. That means Ansa receives Boadu's share plus 5,000, and then Boadu receives B, as in B representing Boadu's share. Now, according to the question, the money was shared in the ratio 4:5 respectively, which means as Boadu receives 4, Ansa receives 5. And by ratio and proportion, we know Ansa's share is to 5 and Boadu's share is to 4. And by ratios and proportions also, you know, when you have x is to y, it is the same or equivalent as writing x over y. And that's at the back of our mind. We can write what we have written here. B plus 5,000 is to 5 can be written as B plus 5 divided by 5. Sorry, B plus 5,000 is to 5 is the same thing as writing B plus 5,000 divided by 5. And then B is to 4 can be written in this form, B over 4. And then this is a simple linear equation, but is of course fractional one. A fractional linear equation which can be solved by finding the LCM between the denominators, and then you multiply each side of the equation by the denominator. And it's also it's also a simple one which can also be eliminated, the denominators, by cross multiplying, and that will become just a simple linear. And by so doing, you multiply 5 by B and you multiply 4 by the left side of the equation, of course both of the terms. So by so doing, you see we'll have 4 multiply this, and then 5 multiplies B. So let's open this bracket or expand the bracket. So you have 4 times B, which will give you 4B, plus 4 times 5,000 will give you 20,000, and that equals 5B. So here we group like terms. The constant number stands alone, and then the B's join each other. So you can have B 20,000 is equal to 5B. Then you send 4B across, so we have minus 4B, and you simplify them again. So 20,000 is equal to 5B minus 4B is just subtract 4 from the 5, because you have 5 of the B's and then 4 of the B's, so you can subtract 4 of the B's from 5 of the B's, and you get just 1 of the B's, which is the same thing as just B. And clearly, therefore, you can see that Boadu's share is 20,000 Ghana cedis. Therefore, Boadu received 20,000 Ghana cedis. That is it. That's Boadu's share. Thank you very much for following this video and also subscribing for us. If you have not subscribed, please, I beg you in the name of God, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. May God bless you for subscribing. Please share with others so that they will also benefit. Thank you. See you in the next episode of this video. All right. Shalom.